Okay, so for this next one, they give us 625 is equal to 5 raised to the 7x plus 3. So I'm guessing, right, because there's another way to solve this where you can use logs, but I haven't taught you that yet. So I'm guessing that since this right here, this is a base of 5, in other words, we're raising 5 to a power, that this is 5 raised to some power. I think it's to the 4th power, but we're going to double check. So I'm thinking in my head 625 can equal 5 raised to some power, right? I don't know what that power is. We're going to find out. So I'm going to say 625, and I'm going to divide that by 5. Well, I do happen to know this one. 5 times 125 is 625. Then from here, 525 is 5 times 25. One more step and I think we're done. 5 times 5 times 25, but wait, 25 is 5 times 5. So we've got 5 times itself, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this whole thing, 625, is the same as 5 raised to the 4th power. So I could write in 5 to the 4th power here and set that equal to 5 raised to the 7x plus 3. Well, in order for these to be equal, this has to equal this. So I could solve that by just saying 4 is equal to 7x plus 3. So, wait, this is, oh, I did it again. So I caught myself. I said, well, that's 7 doesn't divide evenly into 1, but that's okay. I made a mistake. This is supposed to be a negative sign. This is supposed to be a negative sign. So this is a negative sign. I wrote it down wrong. I got a little happy with the old tablet pen here. So now, in order to solve, I'd have to add 3 to both sides. And by adding 3 to both sides, now I've got 7 equals 7x. Now I'm going to divide by 7. I get 1. I don't like how that looks. I get 1 equals x.